Dear students, in last lecture we have studied about the process of gastrulation, and we have learned that there are three types of germinal layers like ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. These three types of germinal layers, they have potential to develop or to form different types of organ systems of our body. So the process which will be followed by gastrulation is organogenesis. Means organogenesis is the process of formation of organs or tissues of our body, from where these organs or tissues they are going to develop. They are actually derived from the three germinal layers formed during the gastrulation. Now you all should know that the total time taken by fetus for its growth and development is known as gestation period, and this gestation period is 280 days or 9 months in case of human beings. So this 9-month period can be divided into first trimester, means the first 3 months, the second trimester means the next 3 months, and the third trimester. So when the developmental stages of fetus they are studied, then they are actually distributed in these three types of segments that we have labeled as the trimesters. So when the organogenesis process has to be started, it is first of all indicated by formation of the notochord, or the process is known as notogenesis. Notochord is then replaced by rudiments of our nervous system, and there is formation of neural plate by fold of ectoderm, and the process is known as nervulation. But this process means the rudimentary formation of nervous systems is started or it is initiated in the 9th week of this first trimester. Means organogenesis is initiated in the 9th week of the developmental period or the gestation period, and it is completed within a month. It will take about a month to develop the rudimentary organ systems. So in the first month, in this, if we are going to talk about the first trimester, so in this first trimester, in the first month, completion of first month result into formation of heart, and the heartbeat can be heard by using the stethoscope. So a 1 month fetus has developed heart, and its heartbeat can be heard by, as I am saying, with the help of stethoscope. One more thing that you should clear, that we are using the terms embryo and fetus. Embryo is actually used for that stage when the organogenesis is not initiated. Up to that period we can call that structure as embryo. But when the organs have been formed, or they have the organogenesis has started, then you can call that structure as fetus. So we can call it now as fetus. It has, after a completion of 1 month, it has heart, and then when the second month will end in this trimester, it will be having rudimentary digits or limbs. Means the structures are taking shapes in the form of digits or the limbs, and at the end of this 3-month period, the first trimester, most of the major organ system has developed inside the body, and external genitalia, means the sex of the baby can, the fetus can also be detected at this time, because the genital organs have developed. So these are the mainly 3 features of this first trimester, where the major organ systems have been developed. Rest of the trimesters, mean the second and third trimester, mainly involve growth of these organ systems. Actually you can foundation of the organ system has been laid in this first trimester, and then there is only going to be growth or further development of those organ system. A very important thing that we have to remember in relation to first trimester is that at this stage, this is very crucial stage of fetus development, because it is highly sensitive, its developmental process is highly sensitive to a number of chemicals, number of drugs, antibiotics. For example, I have given a name of drug thalidomide. This is actually a banned drug, it is not in use now. So this fetus is sensitive to such drugs or antibiotics. It is also sensitive to a number of infectious agents like rubella virus and a number of other toxic chemicals. These all toxic chemicals or the infectious agents in first trimester can make malformation or abnormal formation of or abnormal development of fetus, and such chemicals are known as teratogens. So during first trimester, the mother should be more careful about her diet, what type of chemicals she is consuming, what type of drugs she is taking, because it is not only going to influence herself but also the developing fetus, which can develop abnormally. It may have undeveloped limbs or mental disorders can be there if she is not taking care of herself in this first trimester, because I have said that it is actually foundation period for all the type of organ systems. So now after completion of this first trimester, there is turn of the second trimester, and very two important event that has been observed, that the hair appear on the head of the fetus, and the very first movement which can be felt by the mother take place in the in this 5th month of second trimester. Second trimester when it starts, then in the 5th month, mother can feel the movement, floating movement of that fetus. Now when this second trimester will end, then there will be start of third trimester, in which the complete body will be covered by fine hairs. The eyelids which were not present in the second trimester, they are formed in the third trimester, means eyelids they get separated and eyelashes are formed on these eyes, and this is how the little growth development lead to that completely developed fetus in all these trimesters or the 9-month period. And when this gestation period is going to complete, then the fetus is ready for the parturition process, or the process when this fully developed fetus will be expelled outside. So this was the process of organogenesis, and I hope this lecture is clear to you.